Hello, my name is Sophie D'Souza and welcome to my channel, Sophie Stained Glass. Everything you need to know about architectural glass. If you're joining me for the first time, you're welcome, and loads of videos to check out. And if you're returning, well, thank you very much. Today I would like to ask for your help. I am writing a book about stained glass. It's specifically about leaded glass, so it's not copper foil, it's not going to be fusing or sandblasting or painting or anything else. It's just going to be leaded glass, like an encyclopedia on leaded glass, if that doesn't sound too ambitious, which it does when I say it. So the idea is it's finished by October, and I expect my publishers will be delighted if it really is finished by October. There's ever such a lot of writing and collating of images to do, leave alone producing the images or drawing the images. But it's a labour of love, so I shall just keep plugging on. I want to know today what you want to know about designing for stained glass, because that's the chapter I'm writing right now. What do you find tricky? What do you find difficult? What would you need more help with? Are there any particular images or drawings that would help explain things? Or anything at all that you're slightly confused about, let me know, because it would be so good if I could put that in the book. I really would like to know what you need to know. And that goes for all the chapters actually. So while we're on the subject, the next chapter is going to be about leading a panel together. So in addition to questions about designing, if you could let me know anything you have questions about to do with leading a panel, and I will try and make sure that's included in the book too. So hopefully at the end I should have the kind of ideal workshop companion for anyone who's, especially people who are on their own, trying to make leaded glass. So you can just have a little flick through, backwards and forwards, look at the pictures. There's the answer to my question. What a fabulous book. So anyway, that's what I'm aiming for. Thank you in advance if you do send me your comments. And also thank you for watching. And please like, comment and subscribe.